Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template animation using images and shapes and the text in PowerPoint. So tag along and watch the video till end. But first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more amazing stuff like this. So let's begin. So the first thing you're gonna do is open a blank slide, completely blank with no contents on it. Go to format background and you're gonna insert a format background picture. So I'm gonna use this picture. Go to insert tab, shapes and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. And remove its outline and give it a fill of black. Go to format shape and you're gonna increase its transparency weight. Close the format shape panel and the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert tab, shapes and insert a rectangle this long. We're gonna make it that it touches the entire of the corners of the template. Move it downwards, go to format shape and you're gonna remove its outline and you're gonna give it a gradient color that best matches your images that you're gonna use. You're gonna go to insert tab and insert a text box in which you're gonna insert your title, and what you're gonna do is increase its size and be sure to use a title which have all the capital words. So right now I'm gonna use this words that the I'm gonna go to text option and give it the same gradient as of the line that you have given to it. Be sure to use a perfect gradient, and now what we're going to do is insert a subtitle. Right now I don't really have a subtitle, so I'm just going to use PowerPoint as the subtitle. Let's give it some spacing and the title some spacing as well. We're going to put them into the center of the template because that is really important for the alignment of any of the substance on the template, which makes your template look beautiful. The next thing we're going to do is insert our content text, change its color to white, decrease its size, align it into the middle, and move it down below the title and the subtitle. Let's give it some spacing of 1 centimeter. Here you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is this template is all complete. We're gonna go to insert tab and insert a text box in which we're gonna write some random text or website link or any stuff you want to use. And I'm gonna move it downwards because the downward of this template looks too hollow to me. So I'm just gonna adjust it and I'm gonna give it some spacing because I want it to cover more of the space from the below of the template. Here you go. So this is how it looks, and we're going to duplicate this same template. We're going to move the text onto the left of the template, and let's adjust it and change the alignment to the left as well. We're going to move the subtitle upwards, decrease its size, and we're going to move the title right here. Let's decrease the size of the title because I want them to cover more of the space from the template. We're gonna make this rectangle bigger and that it covers the half of the template. And something like this, we're gonna place it onto the extreme right of the template, give it the same gradient, but we're gonna give it some transparency, something like this. And Add just the text and the title, and all you had to do, you all know that what you have to do. Next thing we're gonna do is move this below text onto the left side as well. Go to Insert tab and Pictures, and you're gonna insert two of your pictures. We're gonna adjust their sizes and crop them if you want. Duplicate the template, and what you're going to do is extend the size of the rectangle that it covers the entire slide and increase the transparency and remove the first picture and keep the picture that you want to keep. So you're going to adjust the gradient size of the image, close the format background panel and enlarge the picture size. We're going to adjust everything from changing the title to decreasing the size of the text to changing the color, font, and other stuff of the text. And we're gonna also change the positions because we want to give it a cinematic animation type. So this is how it looks. Let's increase the size of this picture and go to crop to just the size on the picture. So this is how it looks. Select all of the template, go to transitions and give them morph transition. So this is the final result, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And you can also comment down to let us know about your opinion. So meet you in another video soon with more interesting content like this.